What's up guys, and welcome back to the Station Bakery. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to make these delicious, irresistible, sweet peach cobbler cinnamon rolls. If you like what you see and you want a little more, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Alright guys, let's get into this delicious video. I'm starting by skinning a fresh peach. Now, if you're unfamiliar with skinning, all it basically is peeling the peach. So we're gonna make sure that we get all of the skin off of the peach, and then we're gonna slice and dice into small, tiny chunks. I chose to only use half of the peach this time. But, depending on your flavor preference and your peach cobbler preference, you can add more or you can add less. Just do what you do. Once all of my peaches are nice and chopped into a good size, I then transfer them over into a bowl and get it ready to get seasoned. To make these peaches speak, I'm adding in a tablespoon and a half of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of white sugar, and then I am going to sprinkle it with some cinnamon sugar and nutmeg. Now you want to know how much? Just do it till it smells right, okay? I'm going to give these peaches a nice stir, and then I simmered it on the stove for about 5 minutes and then let it chill. Here I am opening up my can of cinnamon rolls. It's just a pack of 5, and I'm lining them up, and then I am going to roll them out into one big piece of dough. If you want to make these cinnamon rolls from scratch, go ahead, feel free to do so. It'll work just as well. But as for me and my house, canned cinnamon rolls is where it's at. Don't sleep on them, y'all. Now I'm coming in and I am just brushing on some browned butter that I whipped up. You can also use fresh butter, regular butter, vegan butter. It doesn't really matter. No butter. You make it do what you make it do, okay? And now I'm just going to top that brown butter with my peach cobbler filling. Now I'm not using all of it. I'm just putting a little bit because we want to add a little more at the bottom of our pan and then on top of them. So here I am just slicing them out into 5 cinnamon rolls. And now I'm going to layer them into my baking dish, and I'm going to bake them at 350 degrees for about 30 minutes. But just make sure you keep your eye, your nose, and your ear out so you know when it's ready. When your peach cobbler cinnamon rolls are ready and out of the oven, you want to let them sit for a few minutes just to cool off just a little bit. And then we're going to go in with the cinnamon roll icing and spread it all over these delicious cinnamon rolls. You can also whip up your own cinnamon roll icing with a little bit of cinnamon, a little bit of brown sugar, jazz it up how you want. You'll be good to go. I just could not wait to try these. Look at how good that looks. Oh man, when I tell you that these were good, they were good, y'all. I went in for bite after bite after bite until there was none left. And y'all, these people that I call family, man, they would not let me be great and enjoy my cinnamon rolls to myself. I had to share with them, and I was so disappointed. No, but we thoroughly enjoyed these. Just look at that caramelization. Look at those peaches. Oh my goodness, it was so good, y'all. You could probably smell it through the screen. But anyways, I just want to say thank y'all for rocking with me. Thank you for watching this delicious tutorial on how to make these delicious peach cobbler cinnamon rolls. I know you enjoyed it and I know you want to make these now, so go ahead, give me a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and turn on the notifications so you catch when I drop my next video. Alright guys, until next time, peace.